Sound stock is approaching 678 and this level could decide the next move. Recently, price has been in a downtrend with consistent lower highs, but now we are seeing a sharp bounce from around 605 followed by consolidation just under resistance. This shows buyers are trying to step back in after the sell-off. The key resistance to watch is 678, while immediate support sits at 605 with stronger support near 550. If price breaks and closes above 678 with strength, then the next upside target comes near 730. If you want my structured daily execution plan before market open, it is available inside Patreon, link in the description.